As a mechanic, you don't want to sit behind the computer, but you want to be in a workshop repairing machines.
If you quote a customer 2 days later, they've lost interest. If you can give them the price, which is there and then on Lubecore, it makes so much difference.
I am Lucas van Noordwijk. I'm the owner of my own company. It's called Van Noordwijk Machine Service.
Good afternoon, my name is Stevie. I work for Flowtech, Fluid Power in the UK.
Daily I use my Lubecore for making quotations for customers.
You're able to go onto my Lubecore. It's laid out in such a manner that you can find the product straight away. You're able to go in, all the details of the products there to be seen, the prices is there, and that is the easiest point of the whole lot, is having a price there and then that you can quote a customer on the phone.
If I were to rate my Lubecore, it will be about a 9.
I would rate my Lubecore system 9 or 10. The system is fantastic, it's very easy to use. We're delighted with being able to use it.
So it gets the job done.